been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah.
Hi guys, long time no see. I have taken a little hiatus from YouTube because I've been working on my Instagram and just like making sure that that content is amazing for you guys, but I'm definitely not forgetting about YouTube. I plan to make some more videos over this holiday break because I'll have some time, but I am so excited to share this video with you guys today. I was sent about 5 items from Magnet Mount. I will link everything down below and their website, and I'll put a picture of their Instagram right here for you guys. And then I was also sent a kit from White with Style. It's a teeth whitening brand. So Magnet Mount has all of these items for your car, for your phone, everything that has like magnetic mount objects. And then the White with Style is a teeth whitening company that sent me an awesome teeth whitening set. It comes in a ton of different flavors. I just got the regular original flavor, but you guys, it's only $28 if you use my code Curlykels, and it's 90% savings, which means you're getting 90% off your purchase, which is crazy. So make sure you use the code Curlykels to actually get the discount, and it'll be only $28, which is crazy. Disclaimer, I haven't used any of this stuff yet. I haven't put it in my car yet, nothing. I literally just opened it in the package. So first off, they sent me just a charger for my car. I love it because it has 2. I always am like charging like someone else's phone, or my boyfriend will charge his Juul, like all these different things. So a car charger I'm obsessed with, and I'm so glad because I didn't have one. The next thing they sent me is really cool. It's in this cute little packaging. It is like a pop socket, but it's like the ring one where you can hold it like this. So I already have a pop socket on my phone, which I love. I literally use it for everything. I watch my videos, like all that type of stuff. But this is great because it's a little bit more dainty and not as intense as a pop socket. So I'm definitely going to be using this. It's just a simple little gold you know, ring like pop socket for your phone, known for. So the Magnet Mount, you've probably seen this on Instagram, on Amazon, on YouTube. Like, people have talked about this. This is what it is known for. It's the magnet that goes in your car so that you can mount your phone up against it, and it goes like on the clip of your air vent. So this is how it's packaged. I'm gonna have to go set it up and like take a clip of it, but basically this is the part that clips onto your air vent, and then this is where you magnet your phone. And they sent me a cute like a pink color. It's like a rose pink, which is super cute, perfect for me. I'm excited to try this out because I definitely need something like this in my life. It'll make it easier in the car to play music, that type of stuff. To show you guys what it looks like in my car. So I drive a Jeep, so the air vent kind of is a little flimsy, I would say. So I clipped it on, and then on the back of my phone, I put the magnetic plates, and then all you do is kind of like hover it, and it sticks. Just like that. Boom. I'm excited because now when I like do GPS, play music, it's like right there, perfect. And next, they send me a fun little aux cord. It's just a red aux cord. It's awesome because it won't break because it's like not just wiring, it's like a rope, and it's really cute. And I'm excited because I need a new aux cord in my car. Everyone's always asking me to use it, and it's perfect. The last thing they sent me, I'm actually so excited about. I had no idea I was getting this, so I'm really excited. It's the magnetic wireless car charger. So that was just a magnetic device to hold it up in the air vent so that I could like touch my phone easily, or you know, like look at things easier, like Google Maps, like that type of stuff. But this is a wireless phone charger. So it looks like it goes in the same way in your air vent, and then it has a plug so you can plug something in, I'm assuming the phone cable maybe, and then it's just like that. Like, how cool. I will definitely post another video. Follow me on Instagram because that's usually where I post things. I talk about it on my story. Give me like a week or two and I will post on my story about how I'm liking these. You'll probably see me post pictures in my car using these things because they're awesome, and I am so excited to try them out, and I am so thankful to Magnet Mount for sending me these items. They sent me some great items that I actually needed in my life, and they actually told me that if you guys use the code SAVE, capital letters, just SAVE, save. I'll link it down below as well. You'll get 10% off your next order. So go on there. The prices are super reasonable and you could get any of these items and they have so much more. I still have the thing on the back of my phone. This is what the wireless charging device looks like. That's it. It's on. You can either put it in the air vent or you can put it on like a base. So I think I'm gonna like stick mine somewhere in this region. Sorry, that was my phone. So basically this is what it looks like. And then you just stick it. See how it's magnetic? Boom. I have my thing on to charge. For some reason, not sure, but it's not charging. I'm gonna figure it out and I'm gonna get back to you guys, but it could just be my car. I just want to share with you guys really quickly this super awesome thing that was gifted to me. So it is White with Style. It's a kit that is to help whiten your teeth. The package that I was sent is a 10-day treatment. So get your teeth 7 shades whiter in one treatment, and the package that you can get for $28 has 10 treatments. So that's awesome. I'm gonna leave my link and the code down below again if you guys want to purchase this. I am definitely going to be posting on my story on Instagram a little bit more about it, and then maybe in a few weeks after I've seen some results, I'll post another video that kind of talks about how it's worked for me. So these are my teeth here, and we'll see in like 2-3 weeks how we're doing. But I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. I'll definitely be posting a few more videos over the holiday break, I promise. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, happy Thanksgiving.